Thank you for visiting our appointment page at A+ Japanese Auto Repair. I wanted to walk you through quickly what you can expect below. You're going to fill in your name, a good phone number where you can be reached. You're going to pick the date and time that you choose, and we'll give you a second option in case we can't accommodate the first option. You'll fill out your vehicle information, and then also select what sort of service you'd like us to perform for you. Now the next couple steps is about how you want to get the vehicle to the shop. You could drive it down yourself, that's always an option, and then knock on the front door, we'll come out and help you. Or if it's more convenient, we have an after-hours key drop box where you could drive the vehicle down when we're not here, drop your keys along with an envelope with just your information, and when you're done, you slide that in the top and we'll get that in the morning. The third option is a free pickup and delivery service, which we now offer to all clients, whether you're at work or home, where we come out to your work or home, pick up the vehicle between 9 and 12, plan on having the vehicle here for a 24-hour period, and then we'll deliver it back when the vehicle's done the next day, again between 9 and 12. So go ahead and make all of your selections, submit the appointment, and then you'll get a response back from us that we've confirmed it. We look forward to working with you.